Hello and welcome to FloorPlanAR. In this video, I briefly describe the scope and functions of this app. First, let's create a new project. We then select the project and afterwards create a room. If we select the room, we switch directly to AR mode and start measuring the room. First, we measure the height of the room and then define all corner points in a clockwise direction. At the end, we add all the windows and doors. And we already have created our first room. If you have already created several rooms in a project, a floor plan button appears at the bottom right of the project window. Here, we switch to the floor plan mode and can assemble our rooms and create a complete floor plan. With plus and minus, you can add or remove rooms, and with the anchor, you can fix them in their position. If we have created a floor plan and would like to furnish it, we can open the furniture library at the top left. There are numerous pieces of furniture including doors, windows and stairs. Everything can be scaled and changed in its position. Of course, images of the current view can be generated at any time. Last but not least, in the AR room, you can place your created rooms, the complete floor plan or individual pieces of furniture in reality, and take a closer look. Thank you for choosing FloorPlanAR, and of course, have fun!